First robot is ASIMO is a humanoid robot created to help people in daily life. ASIMO has several main parts, including a head with cameras and hands are carrying objects, legs and walking and climbing stuff, and as a central computer system. As its brain its main functions are recording voice and voice modalities and asking promise with several tasks. I like ASIMO because it is intelligent, friendly, and very useful for the future. It, it shows how technology can improve our lives or support people, especially uh, especially disabled. That's 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 is that's why ISIMO is my favorite sport.